Okay, everybody, today I'm going to show you how you can make a sound trigger an action in Snap. So I'm going to start with the when green flag click block, and I'm also going to start with the forever loop. I'll zoom this in a little bit so you can see better. So the idea here is we need a forever loop because we need to constantly be listening to the microphone. So we're going to be listening to the microphone in the forever loop so that we're not just listening and then it ends. We are constantly listening, then listening again and again, and so on. The next we're going to need, let's use an if-else statement. So this is if our microphone is going to go above a certain threshold, some action will happen. Now when we use an if else statement, often you use an operator like this in the green section. We're going to say if the microphone value is greater than something, something will happen. So to get the volume level of the sound coming in from the microphone, we go to sensing and we can use this microphone volume block. We have a few other options, note, frequency, and so on. That would mean if you sing a specific note or something like that, you could have something happen. But I'm not a very good singer. We're going to use the microphone volume. So let's see, when I click on this, it's listening to the microphone, and you can see now my voice is currently around 2.8 or 3, and if I talk louder, it goes up to around 11. So it's a good idea actually to click on this a couple of times to get an idea of what the ambient volume level is in the room that you're in, so you know a good number to put here to trigger your sound. So I'm going to say above 15. That's, we know, is I'm more than loud talking at above 15. I am signaling for something to happen. So that could be when we trigger our event. Now for the event that we're going to trigger, let's trigger a sound. Let's trigger, so we can just play a note to test. Let's give that a shot. Blah, 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 I'm talking. Now I'm too loud. So if you could hear that, it did actually make a sound. I'm not sure if that sound went back into the recording. Let's try again. Ah! Ah! Okay, so as you can see, when I'm loud now, it makes a sound.